Hey guys, Nate here with the 99 Outdoors. Today, we're here at Robbers Cave State Park in Wilburton, Oklahoma. Join me as we go exploring caves that were once used by Belle Starr and Jesse James, getting some of the most beautiful sights in Oklahoma. And we might have had an encounter with a skunk that you want to stick around for.
I'm going. Don't worry about me. Feel claustrophobic.
Hey guys, we made it here to Robbers Cave State Park. We're gonna head off on the Coon Creek Ridge Trail and I'll see you guys there. Let's go. We need a stick for the spiders. And I tell you what, y'all, that's a pretty good stick right here. Huh. Look at that tree. What the heck? Wonder why it's like that. Why do people buy walking sticks when you can just get a stick? Just get a really nice stick. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Oh, I'm in the danger zone, you guys. There's a skunk right there. He's not supposed to be out right now. Look at him. I don't even think he cares about me. He just foraging. Little cute guy. I'm going. Please don't spray me. Please don't spray me. Please don't spray me. I'm going. Don't worry about me. He started chasing me. What? Look at him. Little rotten turd. Nah, bruh. That's crazy. How is it a snake last week and a skunk this week? What the heck? Uh-oh, tree down. Oh, these spiders are relentless. It's like every few feet, I'm getting a new one in my face. Just so you guys know what I'm dealing with out here, it's this. You can barely even see it. You can see that little spider right there. This web is huge. Look at that guy. I am covered in spider webs, head to toe. I feel them every single step I take. I feel them on my calf. I hope we're getting close to the overlook because these bugs are not it, bro. What is that? What am I looking at? I don't want to touch it because I don't want to bother it, but if you know what that is, let me know in the comments. Okay. We made it to the overlook. Holy crap. Oh, man. Wow. You know, the trees are blocking a lot of the mountain range. But this is pretty cool. Got my own little rock. Just get to sit on and fall. One last thing before we leave that I got to do here. Hey-oh! Hey-oh! Well, I think I understand now why the flies won't leave me alone. Because I keep walking into the spider webs and they think I'm protecting them. I'm the fly daddy. I just don't know if that's a title I really want. Well, as I was swatting the flies, I dropped my GoPro. So, we're gonna have to figure out how to get down there now and go get that GoPro. And it's not easy if you can't tell, you guys. Learn my lesson, not doing this again. Okay, I have found you guys. And holy crap. I'm gonna try to get back up here. Whichever way we can find out how to do it. I'll see you guys there. This is just so crazy. All these rocks out here. And we never even left Oklahoma. Well, this hike has been nothing short of panic moments. Throwing my camera down a cliff, that was a panic moment. The skunk, that was a big panic moment. And the freaking flies and the spiders, and I'm losing my mind, but we're gonna pretend like I'm fine. That's how we do it. Oh, whoa, look at that mushroom. That's pretty cool. I actually don't know what that is. So, maybe if you guys can let me know in the comments. All right, we're all done with that trail. We're gonna go check out some of the caves. Man, why they making me get out of my car to pick up trash? Body wash and shampoo. You people are so gross, man. So gross. Well, you guys, we've made it to the Robbers Cave trailhead. We're gonna go head on the trail, see if we can't find the caves. Come check it out, guys. Trail. Cave. Whew. That's slippery. So this is the cave, huh? Wow. We're gonna go check it out. Danger. Don't build fires. Didn't plan on it. Whoa. This is so cool. Oh, it's getting shallow, you guys. Dang. I'm on my knees. There's no reason to go back there anymore. How cool is that? Whew. Oh, you guys. It's hot, so I think I might just hang out in this cave for a little bit and cool off. I say we try the echo test again. I like the valley one better. You guys can see there's a little trash pit down there, unfortunately. I hate trash. Tell you guys what, it's hot. I'm tired. So how you guys been? Me, I'm good. I've just been chilling. Making YouTube videos. Worshiping God. The usual.
just seen a little lizard. Lizard. Lizard.
I am 100% in my element right now. This is amazing. Whew. Well. You guys see all these rock mounds that humans have made? That's it, except for that big pile. I'm just gonna leave that there because it's a pile. That does create a habitat, but stacking them on top of each other takes away habitat. Stone corral. What is that, a buffet for stones? Look at that. Dang. All right, you guys.
A little claustrophobic.
Wow. It's like a little hidden paradise right here. Huh. I won't lie, you guys. I lost the plot. I'm just here for adventure. Me too, bro. Me too. What the heck? Somebody sharpened a walking stick? A little extreme, but oh well. I'm not judging. All right, you guys. We're gonna go check out the Devil's Slide? Question mark. Don't know why we're naming anything after that guy, but whatever. Whoa. 1910? Wow. Look at this. I wonder what all these mean. You guys want to hear a joke? Okay. I used to hate facial hair until it grew on me. Boo! I don't know if you guys knew it or not, but I actually used to be a banker. Kind of lost interest.
You suck.
I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why.
Boo! Boo! You suck.
All right, you guys, we are going to go check out the nature center and the gift shop. I will see you guys inside. Well. We meet again, but this time you can't get me. Ha! Ha! Wow, look at that ammonite. How cool. So, that's our turkey, right? Tell me what you guys think of my turkey impression. What do you think? I think it's pretty good. Well, that's going to be it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Robbers Cave State Park. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and check out my channel for other videos like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to check out the channel where I've got plenty of other videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching.